So I want to remind you guys about the Stampin' Anonymous tutorials. Those are free with any size order. Chick Rewards, I revamped that this year, and you can earn a free stamp set or a framelit set. So both of these, all the information's over on my website, okay? And I want to show you guys Chick Candy number 10. I just posted on my blog a couple minutes ago to enter to win. Now don't leave now. Wait till after the video. And it's going to be up there for a couple days, so there's no rush. I use random number generator to draw the winners, so there's really, this is not a case where the early bird catches the worm because it's just a random draw. Thank goodness for that app or website or whatever it's called. Okay, so background bits. This was a Hostess stamp set. What I'm doing is trying to go through all of my retired merchandise and get it out of my house. So I can't throw things away. It's painful for me. So I'm giving stuff away. That's why you're seeing old stuff. So these 4 rolls of ribbon and the background bits Hostess stamp set. That's Chick Candy number 10. So now we're going to make a card. And I'm going to be using well, I should stop talking while I'm doing this. Okay, so that is over on my blog on Chick Candy number 10 blog post. What are we making? Okay, here are the supplies I'm going to use. Thick Whisper White. And I'm going to be using Share What You Love Designer Series paper. Okay? And then I have some more Whisper White. I know, it's like either you're having rain or you're having snow. So for those that are going to be watching this video later on YouTube, I'm sorry for the chatter, but there just has to be some videos that have chatter, right? Okay, so I'm going to take the Thick Whisper White and I'm going to score it at 4 1/4. I love the Thick Whisper White. So who has not used the Thick Whisper White yet? Because if you haven't, you really need to. Okay, there's my card front. Now I'm going to take the Share What You Love Designer Series paper that measures 5 1/4 by 4. I'm just going to place am I doing this right? I think so. This pack of paper is an awesome pack of paper, and I bought a bunch of it last summer when it came out. And then when the holiday catalog came out and the occasions catalog came out, I just kind of pushed it to the side. But I'm going to start using this again. In fact, I have another card that I want to make. Okay, so I don't know what this measures because my iPad is showing me the comments, and that's usually what I look at for my measurements. So this measures 5 1/4 by 2, and I will be posting this on my blog afterwards and on YouTube. So it'll have an inspiration sheet. I got distracted with work yesterday because I had to go run errands. I had to go get some groceries. Since the snowstorm was coming again, I needed to run errands, so I didn't get all my work done yesterday because of that. So I put a lot of adhesive on here because I'm going to add the ribbon like that and then add it to the card front, okay? Okay, there's that part. Now, we're going to take this Whisper White piece that measures 2 1/4 by 4, and we're going to do some stamping. This is how much I've used this pack of paper. I actually have a whole entire container of it with scraps. There it is. I think these two patterns go very well together. Okay, now I'm going to take her. I'm sorry. I don't mean to laugh. It's just kind of funny. You know, once you get her built, it looks fine, but she has no body or head. So, Memento ink. Now, I'm going to slide that over, and I'm going to stamp the skirt on this paper. So, I'm going to take some extra cardstock I have here. Okay, that part's done. We're going to cut that out in just a minute. And then now I want to take the sign, and I'm going to tell you, this sign kind of messed me up because I can't tell where her thumbs are. Y'all already know I have pretty bad vision, even with my glasses on. And so, if somebody says they get a card from me and the hands are upside down, sorry about that. It's just not easy to tell where her thumbs are. And maybe there are no thumbs, so maybe it can be... Does that make sense? I feel so crazy saying that, but... Okay, this one's going to be Hope You Feel Better Soon. The stamp set does have lots of choices. You can stamp Miss You, Thank You, Love Celebrating You. So all of those will fit within this sign. Now if I mess up, we'll start over. And I might have to put my head in the camera. I did not mess up. I love photopolymer. I wish more sets were photopolymer. Just saying. Okay, I'm going to take my paper snips and cut this skirt out. That looks pretty good, right? Yepper. Okay, I'm just going to turn that over and just put some... Ideally, you would use liquid glue here. Well, let me grab it. I finally found my silicone mat. I had it in my this bag that the new if you sign up to be a demonstrator, you get the bag. I had taken some stuff to the lake to work on, and that's where my silicone mat was. So I have it back on my video station. Yay! Okay, move that over. Oh, I still got glue on here. Sorry, that would drive me crazy if I didn't fix it. I'm going to take, what is this? Rich Razzleberry Light and Old Olive Light, and I'm going to color the flower and the leaves. Yeah. And while I'm coloring, I'm going to ask. So I'm looking for a third window to do Facebook Lives. I do 7 p.m. on Mondays on my business page, on Chicken Scratch business page. And then I'm doing coffee and a card on Wednesday mornings at, what is this, 9 a.m. I want to add a third in an afternoon, but I'm really struggling to figure out what afternoon, because I might have to... You know, and technically I should probably color her hands, but that's okay. I don't have to. But you could use our ivory. Is that what it's called? I'm going to stop talking while I cut this. So yes, we are fussy cutting 2 times on this project. Oh, yeah. So back to my question. Any suggestions on what afternoon? I was thinking the other day that maybe I should just go live when I'm here alone, like with Brooke at college and David traveling. Sometimes I just find myself alone here, which everybody's now reminded me, don't say that when I'm alone because strangers could be listening. I have a very good security system though. I'm going to take the share what you love. I do need to make that insert for this, don't I? Oh dear, the dings on my computer. And I'm going to use, you can use whatever color you want. I think I'm going to use this little light color here. Well, that one went flying to the floor. Do I want that one or do I want this one? I want that one. Where's my, there we go. Okay, so this is going to go here. And let me get my dimensionals. I think one is going to work. Let's see. You know what? Let me try this. This might mess this card up, and if it does, sorry. I want to color. No, that looks good. So I'm going to color her shoes, and I'm going to call that the belt to her skirt. And this is the light rich raspberry. Yeah. Now we're going to put dimensionals on each corner. And I'm going to do one in the middle so that it doesn't collapse in the middle. So then I want some more ribbon. So I'm going to make a bow with this, what's this called? Sheer ribbon. In the old days, we just called this taffeta. The taffeta, 1/8 taffeta ribbon. That was always one of my most favorite sizes. And then before I attach this, I want to get my ribbon where I want it. I think that looks pretty good. So I'm just going to get a glue dot. I know somebody said the other day, mornings are not the best time for them. Amen. I agree. I'm just doing it because I feel like coffee and a card is more of a morning thing. I guess I could do it in the afternoon, but you know, who knows how long I'll do it. I'm always making changes. So if it doesn't work out, I can always change the time. But some people are morning people and they like doing this in the morning. I personally say my brain isn't fully awake until probably 11. Oh, I see hearts. Y'all like it? It's cute, right? Don't forget, head over to my website and enter to win Chick Candy number 10. And I think I have one more winner I need to announce somewhere. I think number 7, because I announced 6 and 8 today. I'm posting them in all kinds of groups. So on my Chicken Scratch Facebook, my stamps group, on my business page, on my blog, on my team site, or on my team Facebook group. Yeah. Okay, well, you guys have a great day. Thanks for joining me.